Market update for the 11th. So I was looking at the dollar earlier and where it finished at, and we still have not started a fourth wave. And I was talking about this about a month ago when we were at like 104, thinking that we were about to start a fourth wave, and it just has not. And so it's starting to make me rethink where SPY would be going from here. And I think it's likely that we will play out this move right here, which is, here's a picture of it right here. We have W, X, Y, X, and then Z down here. W, X, Y, X, Z down here. But with the reasoning that the dollar has not actually done a fourth wave yet, which I was expecting it to do on this move right here, I think it's possible that the third wave will just extend possibly all the way through the fall time until we hit a bottom here. And then we'll get a fourth wave for the bounce. And the reason I say that too, if you look over here, this third wave, when we started the fourth wave, it was March of 2015. It ended in May of 2016. So that was 14 months. I think it's very possible that the next 3 or 4 months we'll be bottoming right here. And if the dollar is still in a third wave at that time, or maybe just starting a fourth wave, that would give us about a year to bounce. However, that would change the whole scenario from going down here to all-time highs. But this would rather be a wave. This would just be an A wave. Instead of an overall fourth wave, you would just have an A wave. And then we would bounce. And probably, I mean, I don't know if we'll go to all-time highs or not, but there's a very good possibility that we bounce. And the B wave could even extend past the start of the A wave. And then we get another move down and it goes even farther down. Like this. Seems kind of bearish, but like I don't know where the ending would be on this, but it would be lower than the 330, 340 that I predicted for the Z wave on this. So maybe we go down to like 300 or 285 or something like that. That's a very good possibility because this fourth wave hasn't started, and when the fourth wave does start, we should get a bounce in the market. And if it's a year long, that would probably give us enough time to do a B wave right here. And then we would do the fifth wave, final fifth wave, and get this move down here for the C wave and complete the overall fourth wave. And maybe it would only be a flat. Maybe we would just go to the top and then come back down here and be a flat. We just kind of go down, up, and then down right here as well, and then take off. And so how long the dollar is taking to move is making me think that this fourth wave might take a long time, and you can be kind of patient right now. But then maybe here in a few years, once the dollar finally does start falling and corrects this whole move that we started in 2008, and it moves back to 80 to 90, that's when we'll get the overall fifth wave that I've been talking about for a while, up here to 550 or 600. So that's just another possibility. As far as the market today, we zoom in here. It did pretty much what I was talking about on the last video. I had the second wave marked right here. I haven't even looked at this chart yet today, but I'll look at it right now. It looks like it looks to me like it's finishing an A wave. So if this is an A wave, maybe we get a B wave and then a C wave, maybe into like Wednesday, and then we take off for the third wave. That's kind of what it looks like to me right now for the daily market, and that would only be the third wave and then pull back and then a fifth wave. I think they're going to extend this out until earnings and then after earnings, we'll start the move down that I've been talking about for the Z wave. So the dollar being stubborn, like I said, we can look at, I haven't looked at the VIX yet. Yeah, the VIX is just holding steady, just waiting to make its final descent down to here, in my opinion. So I'm looking for low 20s on that still. Yields, look at yields real quick. And yields are holding steady right now too. Expecting those to go a lot lower. Probably they're going to hold that up until we get the move down in the overall market, and yields will go down with it. So yeah, that's the theory that I've been looking into for the overall market over the next couple of years, just based on the dollar movement. So we could just get a move down, move up to the all-time highs around 480, and then a move down again over the next couple of years. So look for, let's go back to SPY. I would look for, like I said, maybe like late Tuesday or Wednesday for the second wave to be finished. And then a move up to at least like 402, maybe by the end of the week. And then a pullback, and then one more move higher. So that's the update for today and the new idea as far as the overall market for the next couple of years.